Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 339 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Soft Acceptance, a gentle space to sit with the moments when things aren't as you wish, and to offer yourself kindness anyway. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale with ease. Sometimes the world doesn't match what we hoped for. Expectations aren't met. Plans change. Emotions swell. It's okay to notice the discomfort, the grief, or the frustration that comes with this. Let your body soften. Feel your breath steady your mind. You do not have to fix anything right now. Now, say to yourself, I can be gentle with what is. I can accept what I cannot change. And I am allowed to feel exactly what I feel. With each inhale, imagine space opening inside you. And with each exhale, release judgment, pressure, or resistance. Even small moments of acceptance can ease tension and bring clarity. When you're ready, return to the present moment and carry this soft acceptance with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.